Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode.
In this video, I will review the Philips Dictation Recorder app. What this app does is that it lets you record, edit, and securely send your dictations from anywhere at any time. It eliminates the need of a tape recorder or an assistant for taking dictations. This app is compatible with iOS, Android, and BlackBerry smartphones. You can download this app from Google Play Store, App Store, or Windows Store for free. The interface of the app is user friendly and intuitive. Whether you are an amateur or a professional, this app can be used by everyone. With this app, you can instantly record your notes, emails, reports, or any other documents and integrate them within your existing dictation workflow. It offers advanced editing functions such as insert, overwrite, and append professional recording control. It ensures file and application encryption for maximum security. Recordings can be sent off to be processed by a transcriptionist, speech recognition software, or Philips dictation workflow solutions such as SpeechLive and SpeechExec. On downloading the app, you will get 30 days free trial. Once the trial period is over, you will get to select one of the two secure sending methods, which are Philips SpeechLive and Philips SpeechExec mobile server. With the SpeechLive method, you will get complete control over your workflow. It is a cloud based method and also offers a transcription service where professional typists transcribe your dictations instantly. The SpeechExec mobile server helps users manage secure dictation file delivery. Once you record an audio and transfer it to SpeechExec mobile server, it is automatically sent to transcription workstation within your company network. Apart from taking dictation, this app allows you to attach photos and barcodes. You can make use of the priority setting option in the app if you want to get urgent jobs processed first. You also get an optional file encryption secure transfer via SSL. There is an express mode as well that allows users to shake the phone to record, shake again to save the recording, or send it immediately to SpeechExec mobile server. We used this app on our smartphone and it really impressed us with the accuracy with which it recorded the voice. Forwarding the recordings via email is also very easy. This app helps users save a lot of time and money as it reduces the turnaround times and helps them become more flexible. If you're always on the go and are looking for an efficient and secure dictation recorder that saves your precious time and helps you stay productive, then wait no more. Just launch the App Store on your smartphone and download this superb app.
Please like, share, and comment on this video, and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.